imagine India.
What's there to imagine? I am in India.
Wait, now imagine corruption-free India. India, where freedom of speech is used in its correct sense and not for abusing others. Where there is love, brotherhood, hardly any place for hatred. Where...
Shivanshi, stop. All this imagination is really injurious to my health. Indeed, it is pleasant to hear, but equally hard to achieve. Now, let us call upon our charming and mesmerizing English choir, Paradise Blues, for our next performance.
But don't you think this 11-letter word imagination has a strength enough to create a world of its own?
I agree. As is said by Albert Camus, the imagination sleeps, words are emptied of their meaning.
Thus, to exhibit the unmatched strength of imagination, we have with us our English choir singing a beautiful song, Imagine There's No Heaven by John Lennon.
one thing, तुमने कभी अंगुलीमाल की कहानी सुनी है?
अंगुलीमाल, हाँ याद आया, ये कहानी तो मेरी दादी ने मुझे बचपन में सुनाई थी. Isn't it the one about that dacoit Angulimal? and how his encounter with Lord Buddha transformed him from a bandit to a saint?
Yes, it is.
पर तुम ये मुझसे क्यों पूछ रही हो?
ऐसे ही मुझे तो बस एक ख्याल आ रहा था कि कैसे लोगों का जीवन भगवान की शरण में आकर परिवर्तित हो जाता है। अरे वो तुमने रहीमदास का दोहा नहीं सुना? गही शरणागति राम की, भवसागर की नाव, रहीमन जगत उद्धार को और न कऊ उपाय।
Yes, to get through this life and world, the only way is through God.
So coming before you is a play जो बहुत ही स्पष्ट तरीके से दर्शाएगा कि इंसान जितना भी कुकर्म करे
या जितना भी दुर्जन व्यक्ति हो,
लेकिन यीशु का पथ चुनकर वह अपने आप को शुद्ध कर सकता है। So let us all put our hands together for a biblical play, आध्यात्मिक परिवर्तन